Today I'm going to show you how to hot wire your engine. I'm working on a Viscount engine today. The principle is the same with car engine, go-kart engine, Honda engine, whatever engine you're using, providing you have a starter motor. Now, what do you need to start with? A couple of lengths of wires to connect. This is depending how long your engine is sitting from the bay. Okay, the second thing is you need a starter, one of these press button starters. You don't have to have a starter press button one. You can have a flick switch. They will both do the same trick. I'm using a push button starter anyway, which you can see I have already installed one here. Okay, now the connections are coming out. One, it doesn't matter which one, it can be either one, all the way onto the starter motor. You just connect it to the starter motor, and the other connection, it goes onto the positive side of the battery. Okay, now that will complete your starter press button. Now the next thing you need, on and on switch for the ignition, which is this. Now this is where we need the wires. Okay, now in my case, because the engine is very close, I only need a short wires. Now if it's a go-kart, then obviously you need longer wire. If it's a car, then you need even a longer wire to connect them on. Now, as you can see, I have three different colors here. The colors are not important, as long as you know where they go. This is the plug, which it goes onto the negative side of the battery. Okay, that's the negative side. And then we have blue in the middle, which goes on the positive side, as you can see there. If you can zoom in there, we'll be able to see the cross mark there. Okay, now this is where I'm going to have this one fit. That's tight enough. And we have finally one last wire, which goes right down the bottom, the third wire. And this will also go onto the battery positive terminal, which is here. As you can see, I haven't even tightened them up, just with the clips, just to hold them, because they don't take too much currency. It's just a matter of bringing a currency from the battery to the coil. Now this is ready to start. If I press this button, hopefully it will start. But before we do that, I need to turn the petrol on. Okay, the petrol is on now. Okay, just give it a couple of accelerating. Okay, now I'm going to see if this works. Probably we ain't got a petrol. It's empty. Try one more. Could be cold. Oh, sorry, we haven't switched it on. So, okay, now it's on. Let's see. This should be the problem. Okay, it's my fault. Alright, don't forget, without this switch, it's not going to start. Now we have switched this switch on. This is the on and off switch. What's the point putting this switch on if you're not going to switch it on? on again. Okay, as you can see, simple couple of steps to have your engine hot wired. I hope you enjoyed it and see you on our next video. Thank you.